Hello everyone, welcome to Celebrate Home and Life channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how to turn a glass bowl into a beautiful golden Urli. If this is the first time you're watching a video on this channel, a little heads up. Usually, I upload videos about life in Australia, home decor and DIYs in both Tamil and English language. If this sounds interesting, please subscribe to my channel to show your support. And give a gentle tap on the notification bell icon to get regular updates of my videos. Let's start today's video. All you need for this project is a glass bowl, a can of spray paint, preferably in golden color, and a sunlight. I bought this glass bowl from a garage sale for $3. And these type of glass bowls are always available in any homeware shop for just under $10. Before spray painting, wipe the bowl with a dry cloth or a paper towel. This is to remove the tiny dust particles from the bowl. I want the bowl to look glossy and shiny, so I used White King Super Gold spray paint for this. Always do the spray painting work in an outdoor area. And try to spray the paint a minimum of 30 cm away from the object to get smooth and even finish. Once it's completed, you can leave it to dry, and after 2 hours, you can give a second coat if needed. But make sure you don't leave any unpainted spots. Isn't it super easy? Now it becomes a beautiful Urli to deck up any corner of your house. And also make a good substitute for a brass Urli for any special occasion. Hope you like this video. If yes, give a big thumbs up to this video. That's all for today, and I see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.